mothers, fathers, Holocaust surviving grandparents, Muslims. You want to release the Muslims? Who the knows? Kids, there's a father and a daughter. People say, well, they're dead. The IDF killed them. And you laugh about it. You mock it. You think it's funny. IDF kills its own. You think that's funny? You mock it. That's something to mock? That's funny? They killed dogs. What about dogs? ASPCA, PETA, we saw the videotape. They shot people's dogs. This happened during Sukkot, Jewish holiday. They did it on purpose. Yom Kippur War, 1973, Jewish holiday, during the 10th day of Ramadan. I don't give a about any holidays. I don't give a about anything.